garlic herb mozzarella. So I'm using string cheese for the mozzarella. I actually cut string cheese in half, dunked it in flour, and shook off the excess, and then into egg, and then back into the flour. I'm doing a double dredge, and then back into the egg. And then normally I would use panko crumbs or regular seasoned Italian breadcrumbs, but I am using garlic herb pita chips. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
And I ground them up fine, so they look like breadcrumbs. Well, they are breadcrumbs, but totally different than ones I've used before for mozzarella sticks. So check it out.
Wow.
Look how pretty that looks already. All right, I'm gonna do the exact same thing to the rest of the mozzarella. Alrighty, so I'm gonna make a delicious dipping sauce to go with the fried mozzarella. So I've already got some marinara that's simmering away on the stove, and I'm just adding some cream to turn it into a pink sauce. I'm gonna take it off the burner for just a second. And then look at this, Alex. I'm gonna add a couple of spoonfuls of pesto. Now that is my kind of dipping sauce right there. It kind of elevates just the regular marinara dipping sauce for fried mozzarella. So I'll let this keep simmering, and now I'm gonna fry the mozzarella. So here's the secret whenever you fry mozzarella sticks. You wanna stick them in the freezer first. You just need to stick them in there for about 15 minutes or so, and it'll just kind of give you a little bit more wiggle room as you're frying them before the mozzarella starts to bust out of the coating. Okay, I'm gonna load up the spider and put them into the oil. You want the oil to be hot, but not just hot, 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 because you don't wanna burn the crumbs before the cheese has had a chance to melt. And vice versa, you don't wanna blow up the cheese and melt it too much before the crumbs have a chance to brown. Now I'm gonna babysit these beautiful sticks until they're golden and the cheese is ooey gooey and perfect. And then you can get this beautiful pink sauce. Give it one more stir. And this is like a revolutionary batch of fried mozzarella because not only did we use garlic herb pita chips to coat them, we made a pink sauce to dip them in. Oh, heaven.